Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I have a Walmart weekly budget grocery haul to share with you this week. Usually my budget for the week is under $200, and I actually went shopping in my pantry before I made my grocery list this week. So I have planned out a bunch of meals that I'm going to share with you using stuff from the pantry. So this week's grocery haul was $175. So definitely under budget, which I love, and I love the prices at Walmart also. So really great prices. And I'm going to share with you our meal plan. And like I said, I'm using a ton of stuff from the pantry and the freezer. I always get stuff and then sometimes forget to use it. So definitely went through all of that to make sure that nothing goes to waste. So I'm going to share with you all of the groceries that I got up in the grocery pickup. It's everything for the week, and I'll just show it to you all. I will show you our meal plan, some awesome dinners for this week. So I will share it all with you. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I have tons of grocery haul and meal plan videos that I share with you guys every week. So every Tuesday is my grocery haul video day. So make sure you check them out every Tuesday. I also have a playlist of all of my grocery haul videos, so check that out. I will link it in the description box. But I will show you everything I got for this really awesome under budget weekly grocery haul. Okay, here's all the groceries, and I got a couple extra things this week because we have soccer games and we do little treat bags. So I will show you the little extras that I got for the treat bags. Of course, I have to make those up for our game this Saturday. But I will start over on this side. This is kind of the fruits and veggies I have laid out. So we get tons of bananas each week. And that's what I love about the Walmart grocery hauls. I can select all the same things that we get every week, which is really awesome and quick and convenient. So the bananas, the apples that we get every week, avocados. So I got a couple extra avocados this week because they were really good last week and they have not been that great. So I think that we're on a better avocado little run. So I got a few extras. For our more fruit, blueberries, and they substituted these. These are organic, but I just got regular blueberries, and then they didn't have those, so Walmart substituted them with these organic ones. I got kiwis. My kids really love kiwis right now. Baby carrots. We eat baby carrots every week. Broccoli is our go-to veggie, so I get a bag of this like pre-cut, ready-to-go broccoli every week. I'm going to do asparagus this week with this salmon. So asparagus and salmon will be a totally delicious dinner. Here's our pack of chicken for the week. I will grill this up, some of it, and then some I will poach for some other meals. And I got my kids, they always beg me for these. If you've been around my channel, you see these quite often. Pancake and sausage on a stick. They are definitely a fan favorite of my kids. So, and I make them homemade also, but these are so convenient. Got Cheerios. The boys have been eating Cheerios like crazy. They eat like their breakfast and then they have a bowl of Cheerios. So it's like a double breakfast every day lately. Pretzels. This is an awesome snack that I put in their backpacks. Our school is really awesome. They provide snack and lunch, which is so convenient, but I like to always have a little snack or two in the backpack as well, just in case. And these are perfect because they hold up for like a few days if they don't eat them. A couple boxes of mac and cheese, and I just get the Great Value brand. It is super cheap. It's 60 cents a box. And somebody asked me, left me a comment in one of my other grocery haul videos and asked if my family liked the taste. And it is definitely, I think it's a little bit different than Kraft macaroni and cheese, but I think it's a little bit less creamy. But we really like it, and it's all we really have because it's so inexpensive. So definitely really good and so cheap. I got some beef broth because I'm going to be making Swedish meatballs for my lunch meal prep this week. If you were at my last week's meal or my last week grocery haul and meal prep, I did some meatballs and have a ton of leftovers. So I'm going to do meatballs again because they were so good. But this is going to be a Swedish meatball week for my meal prep. Our weekly yogurt covered raisins, my weekly lettuce, because I absolutely love salads. I got this oven lasagna. This is so easy, and it's exactly like lasagna noodles that you would cook, but you don't have to cook them. You just set them like in the pan for the lasagna. So I'm going to be doing a chicken lasagna, and it is really, really good. It's chicken like with white sauce and delicious. I got 2 of these sugar-free chocolate puddings. I made these a couple days ago, made one, and so we were out, but the kids loved it, and it's sugar-free, and it was a fun little treat for them. We put a little bit of whipped cream on top, so it was really delicious, but wanted to stock up on a couple more of these. Our weekly sandwich thins for my husband for his breakfast and lunches. One of my favorite snacks ever is pistachios. I think they're so delicious. So big bag of pistachios. Back here is the big bag of cheese. We go through almost one of these a week. Benjamin's really into quesadillas, and we just go through a lot of cheese. For our soccer treat bags, for one of them, I'm going to put one of these little peanut butter Reese's little packets, and then I'm going to be adding in the Capri Sun also. I got some string cheese to add to the soccer packets as well. And I also got some little chocolate soccer balls. I will grab them in a second and show you. Those will go in the treat bag as well as some other stuff that I have. But anyways, soccer treats. I definitely am not a big fan of Capri Sun. It kind of makes my kids go crazy. Too much sugar really affects them a lot. So I know that there's sugar in here, not super healthy, but this is 100% juice, 0 added sugars. So I feel like this is the best bet when it comes to Capri Suns. So that's why I got these. And if they have like the full sugar ones, oh my gosh, they go crazy. Their little bodies can't process all the sugar. So got that one. And then I got my 0 carb tortillas. I absolutely love these. So last week, Walmart substituted this Guerrero brand. They were out of it. So they gave me the Mission tortilla brand, which is this brand right here, but for the 0 carb. And I definitely prefer these ones over the Mission ones. The Mission ones were not horrible, but these ones I absolutely love. So I got 2 packs because I wanted to stock up just in case they're out of stock next week. I can have a couple weeks worth here. Like I said, Benjamin's been eating a ton of quesadillas, so lots of tortillas for him. So this pimento, so it's diced pimento. It's for the chicken lasagna. My favorite Caesar dressing. Some heavy whipping cream. It's going to be for the Swedish meatballs. Slide that back in there. Butter. We were running low on butter. These yogurt tubes, I get them almost every week, but I also love putting these in the soccer treat bags. I freeze them, and then by the time the soccer game is over, they're like still cold and a little bit frozen, but you don't really have to worry about keeping them like iced down or anything when they're frozen, but my kids love them. Our milk for the week, Parmesan cheese for my Caesar salads, Greek yogurt, box of applesauce pouches for snacks. Another great snack I can throw in Zachary's backpack. Benjamin doesn't like applesauce pouches, but Zachary sure does. So I throw these in his backpack for his snack if he needs it, if he doesn't eat the school snack. And then Zachary's also been really into oatmeal. So I get these packets and then I add in regular oatmeal also to make it like a little bit less sugary. And then 2 packs of eggs. We go through about 2 18 packs a week almost. So definitely love eggs. We eat tons of eggs. So here is all the groceries. I will show you my meal plan right now. Okay, so these are the little chocolate soccer balls that I got for the soccer snack pack. So I swung by Winco. It's another grocery store near us, but they have these like bulk candy sections, and so I got all these little soccer balls, enough for 2 weeks. Oh, I got a little baseball in there, but it was $1.40 something for this whole bag, so super fun. Just a tiny little chocolate to add into their treat bag. So here is the meal plan for the week. I just jotted it down on just regular notepad paper. So for dinners for the week, we're going to do chicken apple sausage, which I already had one in the refrigerator. Like I said earlier, I went through the refrigerator and the pantry for this week and definitely wanted to get rid of some things and lower the grocery budget for this week. So we already have chicken apple sausage. Tuesdays are going to be tacos. We have tacos almost every Tuesday because we get home a little bit late because of soccer practice. And I have tons of taco meat frozen in the freezer, so we definitely have a couple more weeks left of that before I have to remake it. Wednesday, we're going to do salmon. It is one of our family's favorites, so we try and have salmon about every other week. Thursday, I'm going to do some salad with grilled chicken. Friday, we're going to do some Blackstone fajitas. We've been trying to use the Blackstone about once a week, and everything turns out so good. I wish we used it more, but just with our schedules, super quick dinners, and even though the Blackstone, everything cooks really quick, I don't know, there's a little prep time involved, but we try and use it once a week for sure. Saturday, we're going to do some homemade pizza. I already have everything for that in the refrigerator. So Sunday, I'm going to do the chicken lasagna casserole. It is definitely one of my favorites. For my meal prep this week, so check back on Saturday, I'm going to be doing my Swedish meatballs, and I'm going to do a side of angel hair palmini, so hearts of palm noodles with that. So it'll be super healthy, nice, and low carb for this one. And then I've been doing the last couple of weeks a big breakfast meal prep. We started school last week, so anything in the morning to help us be a little bit more organized and help the mornings go a little bit smoother. So having lots of breakfast items ready to go has been a total lifesaver. So for breakfast, I'm going to make homemade pancake on a stick. I'm going to do egg cups with ham and spinach, and we're going to do some chia seeds with blueberries. So I had almost everything that I needed for this prep, so definitely trying to use stuff up that we already have, and definitely helps with the budget, and definitely don't want stuff to go bad either in the fridge or the pantry. So here is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the meal plan for the week. Hope you enjoyed watching my grocery haul. I just love doing a Walmart pickup once a week, get everything that we need, and we're super organized. So like I said earlier, subscribe if you're new. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.